Jai Hind, Saraswati Sisukunj Bhagwala Borsad, Standard 7, Subject Science. The chapter is Light. And this is first video of this chapter. Okay, so the chapter Light, as you have already studied in 5th standard, there are many experiments that you are going to see here in this chapter. Okay, so you have seen light when the light enters from a small hole into your rooms. There is a light beam, right? You have observed headlights of cars and scooters or bike. When it is on, you have seen that beam of a headlight. This light, by observing this light, what do you understand? Let's see the experiment which is given in your textbook. Let's try to understand that. See here in this image, the boy is trying to see the flame of a candle with the hollow pipe which is straight. So he is able to see that. And with other pipe which is bended, he is trying to see the candle. Now what do you think? In which type of a pipe he is able to see the candle? Yes, you are right. He is able to see the candle with the straight pipe, but not with the help of bended pipe. If I say you that light travels in a straight line, see here. Will you believe me that light travels in a straight line? But look, as a being science student, if anyone is saying to you, you need to prove it, right? We want proof to believe on any kind of thing. So let's see proof. So to understand light travels in a straight path, I have one arrangement. Here you can see I have one cardboard, and here some part is, some part I took out from this cardboard. The other one that I have torch, right? And I will fix this cardboard here, then I will turn on the torch. As you are able to see, the light falls on the wall, right? But the path here we cannot see. What I am talking about, light is traveling from here to there. But there is, exactly we cannot see that light is passing from this way, from this path. So how we can understand that? For that we need some dark area. So let me turn off lights. So now you are able to see a little bit, right? But see how I want to show you. Now you are able to see the path of light. I hope you are able to see the path, that how it goes on or how it travels. See again. Right, so whole path shines, right? And we are able to see that how light travels in the straight path. I hope you understand that how light travels in a straight path or a straight line. This was our first topic, that light travels in a straight line. Now let's try to understand the reflection of light. Reflection of light, right? When light falls on any kind of mirror, right? So there will be reflection of that light, right? Might you have seen this kind of thing, and maybe you did it also. So here I am going to do one activity to see the reflection of light. Here I have two things, a simple mirror and a torch, right? What I'll do, I will on this torch, and I will keep this mirror in front of this torch, and then we will try to see that which side the light get reflected. Light will fall on this mirror, and from this it will bounce and it get reflect in some other place. See, my torch is in this direction. If I'll on it, it will fall this side. If I'll keep mirror here, the reflection will fall on the board. Here you can see, right? Are you able to see the reflection of light? My light is here, this side, and you can see the reflection on the board. So this light falls on the mirror and reflect on this side. Means this is how, this is incident and this is reflected ray, right? So this was one activity by which we can understand the reflection of light. Might you have heard about the story of lion and rabbit, that lion was trying to attack the rabbit, as I told you in the live class also. So rabbit said, there is a big lion in the well. So lion was trying to see inside the well, there was water, right? And lion observed his own reflection inside the water and he gets scared, right? So this story also indicates the reflection of object. Let's see how we can get the reflection of object in the mirror. Here I have mirror and I will use one chalk stick. With the help of that, we will try to observe the reflection of any kind of object. I have mirror, and are you able to see this chalk image inside the mirror? See carefully, right? So this is image, this is reflection of the object. This chalk is object and this mirror, right? Inside the mirror you are able to see the chalk, means this image is created inside the mirror, right? I hope you are able to see the image of chalk. Okay, so that is also reflection, right? So two things we did, right? First we have observed the light reflection and then we observe the reflection of image. When you are standing in the front of mirror, so you are able to see your own reflection inside the mirror, your own image inside the mirror. Let's try to understand that reflection in little bit more detail. Just imagine that this is my mirror, right? This is my mirror. Okay, from some light source the light falls on the mirror, right? From some light source this light falls on mirror, right? And as it is falling on the mirror, or we can say it is incident light, so this is my eye incident ray, right? Okay, when it will strike, from here it will bounce back, from here it will bounce back. So this is reflected ray, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray. Means light is getting reflect from the mirror. Mirror means this line is a mirror. I hope you are getting. Now if I draw a perpendicular line, right? So this is said as normal, right? This is a normal. So this angle and this angle is called incident angle and this angle is called reflection angle, right? As this angle is created by incident line, so that is why it is incident angle, and this is reflected angle, right? So this both angles should be equal, and they are equal. These both angles are equal always, right? Whenever light strike on any kind of mirror, this incident angle and reflection angle is same. Now again you will ask, sir, how we will believe? You are saying, but how we will believe that it is true? So we are trying to understand the reflection by plane mirror. Okay, so let's see this activity. Now here you are able to see that light is falling on the mirror. In the image you are able to see, right? Okay, so this light falls on the mirror and it get reflected. Now here this is your incident light, see arrow, that is your incident light, right? And the other one, that is your reflected light, right? Now you can see there is some angle between reflected light and incident light, right? Okay, as we have seen this figure, my mirror, this surface is reflected surface, right? And this is my incident ray and this is reflected ray, same as you can see in the figure. Now see here, this angle and this angle is same as I explained previously, right? So this is my I, this is my R, incident ray, reflected ray, and this angle which is created by incident ray, and this is the angle which is created by reflected ray, and both should be equal. Now for reflection we will try to observe the image which is created inside the mirror. How we can do that? Just take any object in front of mirror, Now this is my mirror, right? If I am keeping candle here, right, if I am keeping a candle here, right, so it reflection I am able to see inside the mirror, right? If I'll move that candle towards right, the reflection will move right side. If I'll move with this candle left, reflection will also move left, as you have seen here, right, in the mirror. See here, my chalkstick is here. If I'll move it here, reflection will also move, right? If I'll move this side, reflection will also move. You can see, if I'll take it far away, it will go far away. Image, that reflection which is inside the mirror, it will also move as I am moving my object, right? Same here in the case of candle. Even you can do it at your home. When you are standing in front of mirror, you will move, your image will also move. This is so simple, the study of image. Now from here we are going to study image, right? So that is with the normal mirror, common mirror, right, that is in our house. Let me talk about a magic which is connected with the mirror. When you are standing in front of mirror and when you will raise your right hand, right, the image will also raise the hand, but it will be left hand for you, right? It will be left hand for you. Means whatever you are doing, what is right for you, that will be the left for the image, and what is the left for you, that will be right for the image, right? Actually, when the image is real, right, now here we are trying to find out the image is real or imaginary, or we can say it is virtual. How we can find out? See, the image will do exact opposite like you, right? Now if you are using right hand, so this is your right hand, right, the hand which is outside, this is my right hand, right? Now see, I am here only, I am here only, right, and my image is here now, my image is here now. So my right hand will be this side, but when you will observe the image, it will be this, the image will rise this hand, right? This is image and that is original me, right? You are able to understand? Okay, again, if I'll raise my left hand, the inside hand is my left hand, so image will also raise the hand. What will be that? Let's see. So image will raise this side hand, right? Now you see, are you able to understand? So that is difference, no? That is difference. This is actually the image's right hand. Okay, so this is the meaning that whatever you are doing, the opposite thing will be done inside the image. To understand that right and left concept, let's do one activity. Here I have mirror, right, and here. Now you are able to understand what is written here, science, right? Now let's try to see that in the mirror. Okay, so what you can read, what it is, right, it get changed, no? Okay, so one more thing that I have from which we can understand. See here, now what you are able to read here, what you are able to read here, it is difficult to read, no? Okay, now let's try to see it inside the mirror. Okay, now what it is, you have to focus in the mirror, not on the page which is in my hand. So now you are able to see that what is written inside the mirror, right? So this is how mirror works. What is left for the original, right, that will be right for the mirror. Have you ever observed ambulance? Yes, but have you ever observed that how they are writing ambulance on the ambulance vehicle? See here the word ambulance, which is actually written on the van, right? Okay, so this word they are always writing in the reverse form. Why? Because when ambulance is on the road and one another vehicle which is ahead of that ambulance, when the driver of the vehicle will observe in the rear mirror view, right, so they will see this word ambulance in its original form, right? Means the word ambulance which is written on the van will reverse, and the image they will see here, ambulance in a original form like this, right? So this is how, you know, it is helpful for the driver to give a way to the ambulance, and it is our duty to not block the way of ambulance, and we should always give way to the ambulance. Here in our chapter there are 3 types of mirrors. Okay, the first one that we are discussing right now, that is plane mirror. Okay, the second one is concave mirror, right? First one plane, then concave, and the next one, third one is convex mirror, right? Plane mirror, most of the things about plane mirror we know because we are using in our day-to-day life, right? And this two, concave and convex mirror, the images which is getting produced in concave mirror and convex mirror we are going to study. Now before that, what is this concave mirror and what is this convex mirror? Let's try to understand, and let's try to understand the surface of that. Now here, okay, that this is circle, right? If I will cut this circle, right, like just a coconut, right? Observe that this is a coconut, right? If I'll cut this circle like this, right? Okay, so see here there are two parts, right? There are two parts. This is first and this is second, right? And imagine that this two are surfaces, but this part also has two surfaces and this part also has two surfaces, right? Now if I will quote this side, if I'll quote this side, so this will be the reflecting surface, this side is reflecting surface. Now light ray will reflect from this side, it will not get reflect from this side, right? And for this part, if I will quote the inner part here, so this becomes the reflection surface. So this is concave and this is convex mirror, right? This is concave mirror and this is convex mirror. Now you will also surprise that what is this, still we are not able to understand. Okay, just take example of your hand. If a mirror is this, right, and if this surface which is popped up a little bit, if that surface it acts as a mirror, so that is your convex mirror. And if this surface which is bending inside, if that surface will it will reflect, so that is concave mirror. But how to remember? So see here, bending means it is like cave, it is like cave, right? Cave of lion, right? So this is concave mirror, this is concave mirror. Now from this two, look here, this is your concave mirror and this is convex mirror. So I think the convex and concave mirror concept is clear in your mind. So today we are going to understand about concave mirror. Okay, so concave mirror. So first of all, the definition of concave mirror, as I told you that this is your concave mirror, right? It has two surfaces. One is shiny surface, means reflecting surface we can say, and other surface it is not reflecting surface. Okay, so how we can define the concave mirror? Let's see definition of concave mirror. Concave mirror is a spherical mirror. It's a part of a sphere we can say. So it's a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is inwards. Reflecting surface is inwards, curved inwards, right? Whose reflecting surface is curved inwards. Once again, this concave mirror is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards, right? It is inwards. So this was about definition. Now how we can study about the image which get produced here with the concave lens? For that we need to see one experiment. To see the image which forms by this concave mirror, look here, it is concave mirror, right? So I have this kind of arrangement. I am keeping my concave mirror here, right? I have candle, right? And I am using this cardboard as a screen, right? To do this experiment we require these things. This is concave mirror. candle and screen to see image. Okay, now for this we need some dark, right? In the light we are not able to see clearly, so let me create some dark place here. Now look, the height of mirror here, it is little bit higher than the candle size, so I will keep my candle here. I will try to catch image here. Look, are you able to see something? If we will change the distance of candle, look here, now we are getting a little bit actual image like the flame. See carefully, right? It is so clear. Look, so clear image of a flame we are getting right here, and it is a little bit same size as candle. So this is how, look here, one image is here, one image is inside the mirror, one image is here, one image is inside the mirror. How we can get that image? Let me show you here. See, this is my mirror, and one image, when you are keeping this candle, one image you will see inside the mirror. See, right? One image is inside the mirror when you are keeping the candle, one image you will get here on the screen. See, right? So this is how two kind of images we can get with this concave mirror. I hope you understand this. Okay, so I hope you understand the experiment, right? If you have seen it very closely, there are two type of images which we can see or which we can observe in the practical. One which is created inside the mirror, inside the concave mirror, right? And the other one which appears on the screen. One is real image and the other one is virtual image, we can say. Now 3 points are there. First one, real or virtual. Second one, inverted or erect. Third one, here it can be small, it can be big, or it can be as the same size of an object. So today whatever we learn, right, we learn about plane mirrors, right? We have seen many experiments done by reflection of light. We understand the light travels in a straight path. Then we understand the type of mirrors, right? And then we have seen this concave mirror, right? I hope you understand the characteristic of concave mirror. I hope you understand this concave mirror concept, right? Okay, soon we will discuss about convex mirror in the next video. Thank you.